Creating a new account. First, you need to click on the sign up icon. The new account screen will show up. In name, type your first name. In last name, your surname. In student ID, type your district ID, and in city state, enter the city and state where you live. In username, type your email. Use a valid email address since you will need it to recover your password in case you forget it. In group ID, type your activation code. This code will be provided by your teacher so that you can sign up in your specific group. In password, type a password that you will easily remember. Re-enter the same password in the Re-enter Password field. You will have to type the same password you typed in the password field. Read the privacy policy and click on the red cross that you will find to the left. When you have finished entering the data, click on the green check mark. Your new account will be ready to use. If there is an error in the data, for example, the username has already been taken, the application will show an error message specifying the error. Assigning a group. How to assign a group to students in order for them to create their own account. As a teacher, you have been assigned several activation codes so that you can manage different groups. Assign the activation codes to each of your groups and provide the activation code to students in specific groups. Now, students can create their own account to access the applications. Have students follow the steps detailed in how to create a new account. In the Group ID field, they should enter the activation code provided by you, the one that corresponds to their specific group. Students must use a valid email address, whether a personal one or their school email. If you consider that your students might have issues creating their own accounts, you can do it yourself by asking them to provide a valid email address and assigning passwords to each. It is important for students to type their student ID correctly in order for you as a teacher to be able to adequately identify each one of your students.